In this video, we're going to be doing a mid-fade, and I'm going to line up his beard. And we're going to take a little bit off the top with the shears. And without further ado, let's get into the video. If you're new to this channel and want to learn how to cut new hairstyles, subscribe to the Barber Style Directory. We're going to begin this haircut by creating our bald guideline. And this is a mid-fade, so we're not going to go too high. And I've included the word descriptions on the screen with this video, just in case you're watching at work or you can't have your phone on loud. Here we have the lever fully open, and we're going to go up an inch. Now this is the stock blade that came on the clipper. This is not the fade blade. And here we have the lever closed. Next, we open the lever one notch, and we go up a little bit more. And then you see me open the lever one more time. I'm going right up under that guideline. I'm not going above it, just right under it. Alright, so here we have the number 3 guard to knock off the weight from the ridge of his head. Notice how I'm using my comb to keep that hair over on that side because I don't want any to fall back over on the other side. I'm not trying to cut any of that hair. So next we take the one guard with the lever fully open, and we go up about another inch. Notice how I'm holding the clipper flush to his head. I'm not really digging into his skin. Now we fully close the lever and go up under that one open. And then here you see me open the lever one time and go in between. Alright, next we take our half guard with the lever open one notch, and we're going up under that one closed. And then here I just knock the lever all the way closed. Alright, so we have the number 2 guard, and we're going above that. We're going in between that number 3 and that 1.5. So remember, you use the 2 guard to go in between the 3 and the 1.5. Straight hair, it blends pretty easily. The only thing that you have to look for is dark spots. And then here we just have the 1.5 guard, and we're just going with the lever halfway, and we're just cleaning up the dark spots, getting rid of that weight line. And remember, try not to raise your fade too high. And all we're doing right here is taking our one guard and doing some touch-up work. And here I'm taking the number 3 guard and I'm going up to the ridge. So I use the number 3 around the entire head. So right here, I'm just wetting the hair, and I'm getting ready to do some clipper over comb. Notice how I'm just trying to get that smooth transition. I'm just trying to clean all of that weight up. And I take a safe approach. I just take off a little bit at a time. I'm in no rush, so I just take my time because I don't want to take too much hair off. You can take hair off, but you can't put it back on. Now I'm just about to wet the hair just to take a little bit off top. And I'm going to be using my shears. I'm just combing the hair in different directions just to wet it all the way through. So what I do now, he wants like a ½ inch off. So all I do is just grab a section of hair and then I comb it and just make it even all the way. I take it from the front to the back. I'm just going to let you watch. It's no fancy method, just take your time and just make sure it's even all the way across. Here you see me cross-checking, and I'm going to the middle just to take a little bit more off. And here I'm just making sure the hair is all even. And guys, one tip about fading Indian hair, so don't be fooled by, sometimes you may look at the haircut from an angle and think that it's a dark spot, but his hair is dense in certain spots, so make sure you're just looking at the hair from all angles, because you may think you have a line, but it just may be the density of his hair. But here I'm just using a razor to put on some finishing touches. But I pretty much wanted to highlight the fading process, so I just skipped through these parts. But this is the finished product, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.